Hey, welcome back to another video, and this one's a little bit different. So this is the type of thing that you may want under your Christmas tree. It's £50, so it's not cheap. Definitely not cheap for what it is, let's be honest. But equally, it's not like unobtainium. So I thought I'd do a bit of an unboxing video on Tesla's Cyberstein. Now, if you like beer, or even more so you're German, then you know what a Stein is. It's basically a big beer mug or glass, whatever you want to call it. In typical Tesla form, they've gone and done something, just a little bit different. And they've made one that's inspired by the Cybertruck. So, yeah, little unboxing video. The thing I always like about Tesla is they know how to package things. Like even like things like their chargers, they're beautifully packaged. And this is no different. So you get it in this lovely black box. The way you open it is the two halves just come apart. And again, it's made well, it's very tight tolerances there. But doing it like this is a bit harder. But then when you open it up, and I think that's really cool. So, as you can see, it's got a triangular bottom on it, luckily. Because when you look at these on the website, it looks like it might be sort of like a chisel bottom that's going to fall over. Obviously, it's not. So, yeah, nice triangular bottom. So it does sit nicely on a table, on a bar. Like, I think this is quite a cool shape. There's not much to it. It's just a it's a beer mug, and it's cool. It's 100% ceramic, dishwasher and microwave safe, but hand wash for best results. And from experience of these kind of sort of coatings, yeah, you just want to sort of keep it looking nice and neat. You can keep an eye on the Tesla store. They're £50 each, which, let's be honest, is a lot of money for a basically a beer glass. You could buy a lot of beer. You could buy a keg for a perfect draft and 6 glasses and probably have change. But let's be honest, that's cool. And because it's Christmas, the spirit of giving, I'm giving this to a friend. So if you're watching this video and it's before Christmas and you're wondering why a parcel's been left on your doorstep or posted to you or however I've managed to get it to you, then yeah, just wait until Christmas morning and you might have one of these. I like the way Tesla are going with their merchandise. It's different, it's funky. There's some amazing salt and pepper shakers that I were tempted by myself, but they still are not in stock, which is really annoying because they were due in December and I'm filming this in the middle of December. But yeah, anyway, that is a Tesla Cyberstein. And yeah, I like it. It's cool. See you in another video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.